Ang batang very independent. Ayaw magpahawak. Oo. Careful. Taksha. Taksha.
Taksha. Taksha. Take shot.
Okay, keep going. Morning here. Do you want to say good morning here first? Yeah. Morning. Where is it go? Good morning, everyone. Ate Paris is not wearing uniform today kasi meron silang
It's day for Daniel.
Yeah, it's day for Daniel.
We were talking about Daniel yesterday when, like, we're thinking about what happened to him.
Yeah.
Like, how it happened.
Yeah. And what did you learn about it?
We didn't learn it yesterday, but...
What is it, baby?
We didn't learn it yesterday.
Oh.
We didn't learn it yesterday. We were just talking about it. Me and James and Micah were talking about it.
Ah, okay. I thought with the teacher. Baby, come on now. We're gonna go in the car. Yep.
Today.
So you have to wear red, yeah? Because she's wearing red, she's not wearing uniform. Baby girl, come on. Let's go.
Can you wear anything?
Look at CELINE's outfit. Honey, show me your outfit. Show Tita and Tito what you're wearing. Wow, so beautiful. Where are you going?
It's here.
What is here?
There.
Stay here. Let's discuss. Here's our outfit
They were a tea.
for today, guys.
There.
That. And bag. This bag natin para sa lucky. So yeah, ganito yung pa-outfit din natin, guys. Because this morning anak, go inside na car, anak. We, after dropping Ate Paris is off, pupunta kami sa childcare kung saan nagkindi si Ate Paris last year. Diyan lang sa likod ng bahay namin. So, nakabook kaming mag-tour this morning at 9:30. Go in na ba? Go in na. Sabi ko go. Give her a kiss. Ang karo. Alright, come on na, CELINE and I will go to... Nakadrop lang natin kay Ate Paris natin. And I am sweating. I don't understand kasi maginaw, but I'm still sweating. I'm still not feeling very well, guys. Anyways, hindi ako nakapag-vlog for a couple of days, actually. Kasi, you okay?
My pig.
What happened to the pig? Mama will find it later, okay? Alam niyo ba, nagkasakit si mami niyo, guys? I think, anong araw ba yun siya? Like, the whole afternoon, nasa bed lang ako. And I told Daddy Mike to pick up Ate Paris kasi hindi ko talaga kaya. Sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. And I was having like shivers. You lost your pig? Mama will find the pig, okay? I'm getting better now. Meron pa rin akong ubo. Kami naman lahat, guys. May ubo, may sipon. But no fever. But still, you know, not 100%. So at 9:30, we are going to CELINE's childcare. We're doing a tour this morning. But beforehand, yes, anak, bibili muna ako ng kape kasi I think I need it this morning. I really do need it. So, Mommy is going back to work sometime next year. Kaya kami mag-tour ng childcare. Kasi dito, kailangan ilagay yung kids, pangalan ng kids, you know, sa whitelist. Kasi most of the time, full yung childcare. So, nung tinawagan ko sila last time, I even said, you know, at least we'll just say end of Feb. Let's check the availability. At kahit hanggang next year, guys, it's their full capacity. So, sobrang busy. So, you need to put your kid's name sa waitlist. So, yun yung gagawin namin, mag-tour. Even though, alam ko na naman yung place kasi pumunta sa Ate Paris doon last year, di ba? But, sabi nung nakausap ko sa phone, you still have to go. Kahit na alam mo na yung place for a tour, para makausap mo rin yung, maglalagay ng kay baby CELINE sa whitelist. Full ba sila na? Busy. Kasi, kailangan ko na talaga mag-work. Kailangan na ni Daddy Mike ng kaagapay financially. Kasi lalo na ngayon, 'di ba? Sinabi ko sa inyo last time na tumaas na yung renta, so we really need to buy a house now. Ang dami pang kailangan gawin, guys. Kailangan kong kausapin yung boss ko from ang tawag dito, yung work ko last time, and see if they have availability na job for me. And I am pretty sure na they can give me something, guys. Kasi, hi honey girl, I'm not thinking about going back full-time as yet naman. I'm just thinking about 3 days a week for now, and then I'll work my days up. But, do you wanna watch? Delivery for you, madam. Madam. Uy. What do you say to mama? Yawa ka na. Ano mo sa'yo punta na? Yeah. Oras na, babe? Yeah, just in time. Are you ready? Go see friends? Here's my big girl. Oh my god, jeez. We're here na, guys, sa harapan ng childcare. Anak. The shit is getting real, honey. You're getting bigger. Yeah? I'll just bring this one kasi dito yung ating camera, guys. Wait for mama. So, last time na pumunta kami dito was, at Paris. And now, it's for Lainey. Yung house namin, guys. Andyan lang, guys. Oh, kita nyo ba yan? Kita yan? Yan yung bahay namin. Oh, yan. Sobrang mapit na. Sa likuran lang talaga ng bahay. Kung may daanan lang sana eh. Anak, no? Kung may slide. Hey, anak, this way lang. This way. We say good morning when we get in, okay? Okay. Go, you remember coming here? Yeah? Dropping ate? And now, oh my goodness. Yeah, your friend's inside. Go, go. Tingnan niyo tumakbo. Ay, Josh. Anything we can go in. Bing bong. Bing bong. No, you can open it, honey girl. Come on, coming.
A few moments later.
Yeah. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? I think you did like it. You were playing inside. Did you see Anya? Yeah? You love making friends?
Yeah.
You do, don't you? So we're just done with our tour, guys. Everything sounds good. Do you want to go there, love?
Yeah.
Go up there. There. Wala, white shoes. This way. Diyan kami nag-park, guys. So, but, you know, that's the childcare. Ate, a baby girl, here! Meron silang op shop dito sa harapan. Tingnan nyo. Para siyang bahay, pero op shop siya, guys. We'll see what they have in here. Come. Sobrang komportable ni Baby Celine sa loob. Naglaro siya kaagad, guys. Doon sa sandpit. Go up! Friends. Yeah, your friends inside school. Yeah, we'll go in here. We'll see what they've got. Go up. The stairs. Sobrang cute niya doon, guys. So that's a good sign that Celine is going to be just fine. Kapag, iniwan ni Mami sa childcare. Ay, anak, Diyos ko, Lord. Ang buhay, anak. Yes, anak. Pinakalaag. Come on, go, play. Which one? This one? Something's in there, man. Ganahan mo siya swing die.
That one.
Ask, tita.
Let's get it. But Tita needs to clean it first.
Hang on, we'll clean it first. Because abog is real.
Mama.
Have a look at Seth, knock. Oh, slide. Huh?
Get the
Say hi, Seth. Say hi. Can you wave to tita?
Wow.
bahay ng friend ko, guys. Laag pa more. Hang on, tita, we'll wipe it first, man. Because it's been rained on, no? Ha, tita, we'll wipe it first. Oh, how about you use the slide first? You use the slide first with some.
Mommy, Diggy.
You can get your diggy. Get your diggy.
We have another cute baby here, guys. Oh. Seth, come on. Say hi sa ba? Say hi sa day, sa vlog day. This is Seth's mom. This is Ken, among silingan nga. Di ba kita ay? Naraman tas loyo sa balay. Come! What do you say to Tita Man?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Finish. You know what? Seth
Wow!
this.
Mommy. Come
Okay, gali man na siya kay wala man sa ilang bukid ni good.
Hindi gusto si Seth sang swing.
She loves the swing day. Every time mag-atumi sa kuan sa park.
Maswing siya.
Yeah. It's always the
Alright.
swing. There you go. Okay. Wow, push. Careful with your kuan lang. Wow, lingawang silin sa iyang. One, two. Wow. Hindi dahil kay bahalag mataka kung kaya kayo nakaubo ko lang eh. Wow, that is fun, Lini. Mo ni ang ma-miss good day sa one day kay amo mang good kay wala mang good me. Kuan backyard na ba? Balkonira, sorry set. Balkonira na lamisa ray igo.
Kani gani daga man food tapos ka na. Hindi ba siya accessible every time?
Tay access naman mga ingani dili outside, that's good.
Kaya itong dili cloudy, kasi man kainit karon.
Look at these people. It's nearly 3 o'clock. Pipikapin ko na sa Ate Paris and it's pouring. Kailangan kong iwan si Baby Celine sa taas with Daddy Mike. Buti na lang yun si Daddy Mike. I forgot the payong. Lord, lakas ng ulan. Oh my God! Tingnan niyo ang ulan, guys. Andito ako ngayon sa harapan ng school ni Ate Paris. Wala nang maparkingan. So, dito na lang ako maghihintay. Kasi normally kapag wala nang maparkingan ay doon ako sa kabilang daan. But, I won't be able to do that kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan, guys. Grabe! So, kailangan ko na lang maghintay na may isang sasakyan na aalis. Para... Oh my goodness! I wasn't expecting this. Buti na lang talaga iniwan ko si Baby Celine noon, guys. Talagang mahihirapan ako kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. Can you see it? Oh! Narinig niyo siguro din. May payong naman ako dala dito, pero hindi to siya kakayanin ng payong. I don't think so. Ingat lang tayo sa pag-drive, God my Lord. Alam niyo na, kapag ganitong malakas ang ulan, prone yan siya sa, kasi yung brake, hindi masyadong nag-work ba? Kailangan mag-leave ng space para sa harapan, para hindi ka makabangga. Dalawa naman sila naiwan sa loob. Tingnan niyo, ang payong namin ay sira pala to. Uy, ma-open siya. Thank you, Baba Girl. How's she day? Good? What did you do to your water bottle?
Nothing. It's leaking when I do it like this, so I drink it.
Look what Daddy made! Yummy! Garlic bread.
I want that, Nini.
No more jumping. No more jumping because Daddy made the thing. Yummy, huh? Look! Time check, everyone. It is 5:27 ng hapon. Look! This is so yummy! Look! Ay, naku, just Lord. Ang bakit ito.
Daddy go.
No jump.
No more jumping lagi. Here, oh. Uy, tingnan niyo ang kanyang gamit ay nag-dress ng kanyang ate for Halloween. And sinuot niya.
Mommy.
Yung batang talaga to, hindi sinuot ng ate niya kay hinintay ang Halloween. Sinuot niya una.
Wait.
Witch! Come here lang. Careful ba? Kasi my phone.
I want jump.
Jump. Here.
I want jump.
Okay, up, careful.
I want jump.
What?
I want.
I think one day when Celine grows up, she will do the skydive.
Yeah.
Oh,
Same with those. Said's got those nuts.
Look lang, yummy lang, oh. Can you give some to ate, please? Come here. Okay, carry.
Can I have
There,
one?
okay.
I'll have
Careful, please. I don't want you to fall. See, I am organizing this
You want
on
some?
the fridge.
Paris.
Lynn! Oh my God! Careful ba?
Paris, Dick. You want some garlic bread?
Yes, please. Yes, please. No, yes, please.
I want to get more fridge magnet.
More fridge. Fridge.
Watch out, it's hot.
So they have the Monday available from starting 22nd of January. So they only have Monday available for now. Oh, she called just before because they said there might be Friday coming up.
Yeah.
Have a look at this dancing. So they might have like Friday coming up. Oh, careful! Come down. Yeah. So Friday night, ayan, hindi kami magluluto guys. Nag-order si Daddy Mike ng Betty's Burgers. Ito yung hapunan namin. Oh, hapunan. Drinks pala ito eh. Bit na ni Baby Celine yung pagkain. What are you having? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Thank you, Daddy.
Oi!
Come, ate!
Let's go.
So, it's now midnight. It's 12:08. And kakatulog lang ni Daddy Mike, guys. So, after dinner, ay naglinis si Daddy Mike. So, nalinis niya lahat. Kitchen, mop the floor, habang pinapatulog ko yung mga girls natin. And then, I came out, and he was still, mopping the floor. And ako yung nakatoka dito sa gabundok na mga damit. Grabe. So, inaano ko na, pinofold ko na, tapos nalagay ko na yung iba sa dapat kalagyan nila. And I've got like a box here. Tingnan nyo. So, may box ako dyan. Dyan ko nilalagay yung mga kasi nagkahalo-halo kasi yung dito, guys. Yung mga damit. So, doon ko nilagay yung mga pambenta ko ng mga damit. And, yung mga papadala ko ng Pinas, nilabas ko na doon. But, every time na ako, tingnan nyo, tingnan nyo. Ayan, gabundok na damit. So, pinipilian ko yung mga sa tingin ko na hindi ko talaga sinusuot or ng mga kids. Papadala ko na ng Pinas para may space na naman tayo dito. Have a look at my clothes here as well. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, hinang ko sa bunk bed. I'm going to organize them all tomorrow. Ilalagay ko sila sa closet. But for now, I'm hoping na itong mga naggabundok na damit dito ay para masegregate ko siya. At yung maiiwan dito ay yung dito lang talaga sa loob ng bahay. I'll stay up until 1 and say, kasi kung matapos ko to, then I'll go to bed. Kasi maaga pa bukas may school sa Ate Paris. But yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. It's Sunday, it's Monday. It's Monday already. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. As always, appreciate ko kayong lahat na, especially yung mga umaabot pa dito sa end, yung tinatapos talaga yung vlog. Shout out sa inyong lahat kasi appreciate ko kayo. Always kayong nakasuporta sa channel natin. I'm just gonna do a quick shout out before natin i-end yung vlog. Shout out to Victoria Baptista, Irene Cuenca, Juliet Caparas, Ashik Life, Fe Guarnes, Yet Palino, Jamila Kawaja, Erlinda Basa, Lenny Langit, Edna Bartulay, Michelle Caligan, Mercy Narito, Angelina Ledesma, Eleanor Tanutan, Merna Raon, Esther Timuat, Mins Cinco, Josephine Gamparo, Annie Vergara, and Hilas Ka. That's about it, guys, for today's video. Sana na-enjoy nyo. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.